Hey there, I hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to walk you through on how to log into Emgage. It's a very quick and simple step. All you gotta do is follow along and you'll be logged into your account in no time. First thing first, open up your preferred web browser. I prefer Google Chrome, so let's tap there, and at the very top you can see a search bar. Let's tap in there and let's type in Emgage work login, and since we're going to log in and hit enter. Now make sure you tap into the site that says like login and make sure it's an official site. Let's tap in here and you'll be logging to your you'll be greeted to your login page. All we got to do is fill in those empty fields. Let's type in our username, or it could be your email as well. That is associated with your account, and your password. And okay, this is I really don't like doing this, but you gotta do what you gotta do. You have to take that I'm not a robot taste. So let's tap there. It's telling to select all images with bicycles. Oh my god, I know how it feels to prove you're not a robot. Okay, now let's type in verify, and okay, thank god we are verified. So if you want this site to remember, or if you want the site to keep you signed in, you can tap in this tiny box and it will be marked, but let's leave it like that for now. And if you've forgotten a password, you don't need to worry at all. There's an option that says forgot your password at the very bottom, so you can simply tap in there and it will help you through. Since we have already typed in all our credentials, all we gotta do now is tap in that login button and you'll be logged into your Emgage account. That's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel Tech B6. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.